Slick and Zion echoes. Just get Canada. Them call me rebel, call me threat, cause me chant truth them, can't forget. Me nah bow to no fake crown. My voice a fire burn Babylon down. Them try trap the mind with fear. Watch every step, every move me clear. Me spirit wild, my soul untamed. Me chanting Jah name, me nah be chained. System can't chain me soul. Me walk with Jah, me play me role. Them build wall, but me build drum. Beat truth till Babylon done. Roots too deep, light too strong. We chant right, them systems wrong. Me chant for love, me chant for peace. For every heart them try to cease. Me see the wires, me see the trap. Screens in face like digital slap. Them sell me dreams, but me nah buy. Me sight the truth behind the lie. Me stand with drum, me stand with word. Me chant with lion, me fly like bird. No machine can write me soul. Me born for chant, me born for roll. System can't chain me soul. Me walk with Jah, me play me role. Them build wall, but me build drum. Beat truth till Babylon done. Me nah fear no badge, no name. My heart blaze up like holy flame. From roots to sky, me call the youth. For rise with love, for walk in truth. So when them fall and silence ring, me still go rise and chant and sing. Cause soul not built by man control. And system can't change our soul. Kutika Sakpaska. Herb feed the mind me about one time. With a little Afghan me I feel divine. Jah herb so sweet it a make me rhyme. Me a walk on the righteous line. Herb feed the mind me about one time. With a little Afghan me I feel divine. Jah herb so sweet it a make me rhyme. Me a walk on the righteous line. Bubbling chalice, me pass to me brethren. From Westmoreland, straight to the heavens. Cherry pie, me say it a make me smile. Herb feed the journey, every mile. The Babylon man, they want fi oppress. But Jah herb a bless, me soul caress. Me nah go stop, me nah go stray. Me burn me spliff till the break of day. Herb to remind me about one time. With a little Afghan me I feel divine. Jah herb so sweet it a make me rhyme. Me a walk on the righteous line. He said the herb a wisdom, the herb a guide. The fire blaze strong, me spirit collide. With me gelato strain, me a take a flight. Me a chant Jah name till the morning light. The healing herb it a run through me vein. Me a feel the vibes, me can't complain. From the mountains high to the city low. Jah herb make the blessings flow. With the star dark strain, me a lift up high. Me a touch Jah sky, me a never lie. Me give thanks for the gift Jah provide. The healing herb it a be me guide. So pass the chalice, make we all a vibe. The herb unite, no care the tribe. From the ghetto youth to the hills above. Herb for the people, herb for the love. So pass the chalice, make we all a vibe. The earth unite, no peer the tribe. From the ghetto youth to the hills above. Earth for the people, earth for the love. Be a scene in we live in life. Me rise up in the world of screen and wire, where the youth them trapped in digital fire. Eyes locked and feed, mind lost in scroll. Them sell we soul, feel likes and control. Echoes of Zion get drowned by alerts. Every ping a chain, every buzz a curse. The elders warn, but we never did hear. Now Wi-Fi signal louder than prayer. Me said the system craft, the chains unseen. Wrapped in glass, sold as dream machine. But me nah bow down to the click and trend. Me rather reason with roots and a true brethren. Welcome to digital Babylon, where freedom is an illusion gone. Them control what you see, what you feel. Feeding you lies dressed up in a reel. But me spirit can be programmed, no chip can own. Me chant with drum and heart alone. Zion call me far from this land. Me delete them lies with Jah Guide. Me remember the days when talk was face to face. Now me brother message me from the same place. Virtual love but empty vibe. Them swipe left, life can't feel the tribe. The youth them fed a digital diet, full of vanity and silent riot. Me say, who build this matrix, who write the code? Them same ones sell the poison in the mode. Me nah in a filter, me nah in a fame. Me speak raw truth, me nah play the game. While them chase clout, me plant the seed. Me water it daily with spiritual need. Me see the towers like modern steeples, preaching lies to the mindless peoples. Them apps a mask, them likes a drug, but Jah wisdom deeper than server plug. Me cut off data, me reconnect soul. Me reason with stars, me walk Jah goal. Me chant in silence, me find me path, while them lost in algorithm wrath. Welcome to digital Babylon, where freedom is an illusion gone. Them control what you see, what you feel. Feeding you lies dressed up in a reel. But me spirit can be programmed, no chip can own. Me chant with drum and heart alone. Zion call me far from this land. Me delete them lies with Jah Guide. Me children born into touchscreen life. Them never know earth, them never know strife. Me say take them outside, let them feel a breeze. Let them hear how the mango tree teach with ease. Tell them stories of the drum and fire, not Netflix dreams or... Zion echoes. Them build wall round the poor man's dream. Steel and stone, but me soul still beam. Them tighten grip with rule and law, but Jah creation can't be flaw. Me barefoot step on concrete pain. Still me find hope in falling rain. Me nah bow down to no gold chain. Me roots deep like sugar cane. Them try to dim the inner spark, but me light up dark like fire mark. Me nah sleep walk in a Babylon lie. Me open third eye, me spirit high. Iron fence can hold golden heart. Me love run while me true to art. Them walls so high, but me reach the star. Me chant from near, me chant from far. Me nah fear gun, me nah fear chart. Me carry Zion in every part. Them build wall, but them can't start. Feel lock down truth or play Jah part. Them flash screen, them program brain, but me stay true, me feel the pain. Me Me chanting street, me chanting bush. Me rise above the Babylon push. Me hear me elders in a me soul. Them tell me son, just play your role. Me eat from earth, me live off light. Me heart beats strong through every fight. Them poison food, them poison air, but just still guide me everywhere. Iron fence can hold golden heart. Love a the fire, truth or the spark. Me nah fear no shadow dark. Me carry Zion in me ark. Me nah move fast fi plastic wind. Me build me home from deep within. Iron fence can't stop golden tide. Me ride with love, me soul, me guide. Rise up people of the sun. Them try divide but we are one. No wire tall enough to bind. A heart of gold them can't confine. Me sight this system full of trick. Me chant me truth, me chant it thick. Me not conform to them design. Me hold firm, me redefine. So tell Babylon build what you will. Me still have to chant, me still have to fill the world with hope, with fire and art. Cause iron fence can't stop golden heart. Me walk through the valley, the shadow of pain. Jah light guide me steps through the storm and rain. Me say me heart firm, me spirit remain. The journey long, but we no complain. The wicked them lurk, but me nah go stray. The fire of Jah make me pave me way. The ghetto full of trials, but Jah love stay. We chant Selassie I make the world obey. For every tear we drop, Jah give we joy. The system try to break we, but Jah destroy. We hold firm to Jah love, it can deploy. Rasta never lose, we no fall fit ploy. Jah guide me steps, me walk on the light. The darkness flee, the path get bright. We chant the psalms, the vibes ignite. Jah blessings flow every day, every night. Me said the struggle's hard, but we stand strong. Jah protect me soul from the wicked man. Them set them trap, but Jah break the plan. Rasta trod forward, we no want no span. The love of Jah deeper than the ocean floor. We knock on Zion, get Jah open the door. The wicked them scatter when Jah lion roar. Me say we a soldier, we fight evermore. Babylon want fi control me life, but Jah cut the chain like a two-edged knife. We stand in the light, we no mix with strife. Rasta vibration fi balance the life. Jah guide me steps, me walk on the light. The darkness flee, the path get bright. We chant the psalms, the vibes ignite. Jah blessings flow every day, every night. Yeah man, Jah carry me through the stormy seas. Me heart at peace, Jah love at peace. We chant for the truth, Jah spirit increase. The fire of Zion, it never cease.
There's my canteen. Canteen? The 6 million reals. The 6 way. make your trends and make tune. Please,
That's something low on there.
could all say it, boy.
Take we skill gear the twist to join and can contact road. So hello, I'm father with this one speed come with the time. So
I surf my tea.
when I will see I was election. I fed take a tip just play Clinton and the fan oil really for the secretary with time so let's show they got chicks. I said those see I said I tell them send it your thing Chris. If a champion please try. So why is there someone takes the one with me?
Me say lion heart soldier, we strong like steel. The fire of Zion make the wicked man kneel. The battlefield rough, but me not conceal. Jah love we carry, make the whole world heal. The mission heavy, but me no back down. The strength of Selassie, I me carry the crown. The wicked them crumble, them kingdom drown. We chant Jah praises, the blessings surround. From the sunrise heights to the evening glow. The love of Jah make the spirit grow. The lion heart soldier with the on the go. Rasta vibration make the evil low. Lion heart soldier we march for Jah. The fire of truth burn the wicked afar. We chant the psalms, we know who we are. The blessings flow like a shining star. Me say Babylon traps can't hold me stride. Jah give me the courage to stand and fight. The darkness flee when Jah light collide. The righteous soldier make the wrong get right. The banner of Zion we carry it high. Selassie name we hail till the day we die. Me say the truth rise up like the morning sky. Lion heart soldier can't deny. The people are chant, the vibes get strong. We burn the evil, we linger too long. The fire ablaze, we sing Jah song. The lion heart beat make the whole world belong. Lion heart soldier, we march for Jah. The fire of truth burn the wicked afar. We chant the psalms, we know who we are. The blessings flow like a shining star. Miss a soldier for life, we can't retreat. The battle is just the mission complete. From the roots of Zion to the city street. Lion heart soldier, Jah love sweet. Mash it up, the people fed up. Them take the riches and leave with the crumbs. But reggae music rise, Jah kingdom come. We fight for justice, chant for the youth. The elders said truth is the ultimate fruit. We not bow to no system where treat we brute. Rasta voice strong like the lion root. The rhythm a flow, it carry Jah call. We chant down the walls till Babylon fall. From the ghetto streets to the palace hall, we rise up the banner, redemption for all. Reggae redemption, we chant it loud. The fire ablaze, we lift the crowd. Babylon crumble, just spirit proud. One love eternal, it can't be bowed. Them while we silent, but we rise like flame. Reggae bring the message, we call Jah name. The oppressors tremble, them hide in shame. But Rasta carry love, we no play them game. The rhythm beat strong, like heart to drum. The voice Redemption a come make the kingdom run. For the youth where you suffer, we fight for them. Jah bless we steps, we not pretend. The light of Zion we represent. From the start of the journey till the very end. Reggae Redemption we chant it loud. The fire ablaze we lift the crowd. Babylon crumble, Jah spirit proud. One love eternal, it can be bold. Yeah man, reggae at the voice of the land. We hold Jah truth like the farmer and from the hills to the sea we make them understand. Redemption a come, it's Jah plan. Yeah, yeah, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Me walk through the valley, the shadow of pain. Jah light guide me steps through the storm and rain. Me say me heart firm, me spirit remain. The journey long but we no complain. The wicked them lurk but me nah go stray. The fire of Jah make me pave me way. The ghetto full of trials but Jah love stay. With chant Selassie I make the world obey. For every tear we drop, Jah give we joy. The system try to break we but Jah destroy. We hold firm to Jah love, it can deploy. Rasta never lose, we no fall fi ploy. Yo, me wake up in the morning, sun a shine bright. Jah bless me life, keep me soul feeling right. Step out on the street, hear the rhythm, me nah hear, me nah fear. Cause the most high always they near. Give me the fire, make it blaze up high. Chalice in a hand, let the smoke touch sky. Meditation deep, me I reach new high. Jah guide me, me nah live no lie. Smoke the herb, feel the vibe, let the music take you high. One love, one life, reggae keep we soul alive. No bad mind, no fight, we just living under light. Rise up, stand tall, blessings fall all night. Babylon a come, but me nah go run. Stand firm like a lion, me nah bow to none. Them try feel lock we down, but me spirit too strong. Chant a psalms, make them know say Jah dep on me tongue. Give me the fire, make it blaze up high. Chalice in a hand, let the smoke touch sky. Meditation deep, me I reach new high. Jah guide me, me nah live no lie. Smoke the herb, feel the vibe, let the music take you high. One love, one life, reggae keep we soul alive. No bad mind, no fight, we just living under light. Rise up, stand tall, blessings fall all night. Rasta man chant pon the rhythm, feel it deep. Roots and culture, this your vibe can't sleep. Me nah take no poison, me nah sip no lean. Natural meditation, the highest me seen. Me burn the stress, me burn the pain. Me only keep the love in a me brain. Me nah war, me nah fight for no fame. Real reggae warrior, me stay in a million. Jah bless we all, make the music shine. Reggae pan top, still they on the front line. One heart, one soul, one life, one time. Keep it real, keep it blessed, make the love align. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Feel the vibe, let the music take you high. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Reggae keep we soul alive. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Feel the vibe, let the music take you high. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Reggae keep we soul alive. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Feel the vibe, let the music take you high. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Reggae keep we soul alive. Zaya Ako, Zaya. Zion echoes. Them build concrete pan the sacred clay. Steel and glass blocking Jah day. Them pave over the chants, the rights, the drum and set program. progress while Babylon come. Me walk through cities that used to breathe, now silent like tombs and soul them thief. We culture reduced to brand and price, them sell we essence cold like ice. But me not forget me granny words. She say every tree still sing, every stone still heard. So me bend low, me touch the ground and feel the rhythm where roots still sound. Roots beneath the rubble, still alive. Whispers in the dirt, them still survive. Though Babylon try to erase we name, Jah light still burn, eternal flame. We rise from ashes, we grow from pain. We chant in drought, we dance in rain. You can't kill soul with tower or screen. Roots run deeper than the machine. Me say them feed with sugar, drain with blood. Smile while them pushed with deeper in mud. Every policy a trap in disguise, but the wise still read truth in disguise. Me not in a hype, me not in a race. Me walk slow, but me walk with grace. Them say me mad cause me talk to tree, but me say madness at the screen. You see every echo of Zion, live in a breeze, in the rustle of leaves, in the hum of bees. We no need church for spirit rise. Jah dwell in silence, not in disguise. Babylon come with glitter and sound, but me find gold in silence profound. Me meditate pan ancestors' dream. Me carry them vision like mountain stream. Them say freedom in a vote or card, but freedom live in a farmer yard. In the sweat of brow, in the work of hand, in the drum beat that rise from the land. Roots beneath the rubble, still alive. Whispers in the dirt, them still survive. Though Babylon try to erase we name, Jah light still burn, eternal flame. We rise from ashes, we grow from pain. We chant in drought, we dance in rain. You can't kill soul with tower or screen. Roots run deeper than the machine. Me say the children get fed illusion, flashy life but full of confusion. Them learn history from edited app, but truth can't hide in colonial map. Me write verse with fire in a me chest, fi wake them youth from mental rest. Me not judge but me show them way. Cyan't echoes, ay ay ay, Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, the vibes can't stall. Lift up Jah name, me a answer the call. Urban and me system, me rise, me no fall. Roots and chalice, me say one love for all. From the roots of creation, me hail Jah name. With the chalice in a hand, me a blaze the flame. Babylon a fight, but we stand the same. Jah wisdom in a the herb, it's more than fame. Inna the hills, the ganja grow strong. With the healing vibes, it a carry we along. Selassie I guide me, Jah love prolong. Me chant this song for the whole world belong. Every Jah blessing, the vibes elevate. Herb inna me heart, me a meditate. The chalice pass round, no bad hesitate. Roots and chalice, the vibes resonate. Roots and chalice, the vibes can't stall. Lift up Jah name, me answer the call. Herb inna me system, me rise, me no fall. Roots and chalice, me say one love for y'all. Me say chant it loud, make the message spread. Herb inna the chalice, the meditation read. Babylon a fight, but Jah children fed. With the roots and the herb, the spirit no dead. From the ghetto to the hills, we all unite. With Jah guidance, me trot through the night. The herb as me armor, the vibes feel right. Chant down Babylon, me say hold Jah light. Me say roots and chalice, the anthem strong. Herb inna me and me a chant Jah song. The healing of the nation, me say pass it along. Roots and chalice, the vibes can wrong. Roots and chalice, the vibes can't stall. Lift up Jah name, me answer the call. herb in a me system, me rise, me no fall. Roots and chalice, me say one love for all. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ay, 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 Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ay, 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 Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ay, 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 Rasta man so high. Roots and chalice, roots and chalice. Ay, 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 Rasta man so high. Right, correct. Roots and chalice. Right, correct. Rasta man so high.
You know, them world full of illusion. Them try cover truth with smoke, but me eyes still blaze with Jah fire. Me see clear through the fog. Me born in a city where false lights blind. Them neon glow, but truth hard fi find. Me walk street where soul gets sold. Contracts inked in silver and gold. Them give man screen, but take him dream. Push fake love through digital scheme, but inna the mist, me vision stay clean. Me chant with roots, me rise with green. Them set stage fi puppet and mask, but me nah play. Me choose me task. Me carry the torch from ancient slang. Me voice a river, me words a song. Veil of smoke can't hide Jah light. Me eyes of fire see through the night. Them build illusions, me chant them down. Inna this Babylon, me wear no crown. Me no need title, me no need fame. Me only walk in Jah true name. Veil of smoke can't stay for long. When truth rise up like Nyaya Bingi song. Them fill youth head with fear and lie. Tell them truth a myth, tell them not try. But me say youth, you are the key. Unlock your mind, step out and be free. Me feel spirit of Garvey near. Him whisper, warrior, conquer fear. So me sing even if them vex. Me words still break them Babylon X. Them put camera on every lane. Fi track me soul, fi watch me brain. But me chant through wire and screen. Me roots dig deep, me still stay clean. Fire blaze inna me eye, even when the smoke reach sky. Me nah bow, me nah compromise. Me know the truth, me recognize. Me ancestors walk beside me step. Them guide me rhythm, them guide me rep. Me nah forget where me spirit grow. Me chant till Babylon overflow. Veil of smoke can't block me flame. Me eyes of fire burn them shame. Me no blind, me see them game. Me call them system out by name. Every tower, every fake empire fall down before Jah fire. Veil of smoke, me see right through to the real, the pure, the righteous crew. So blow your smoke, build your wall. Me chant on mountain, me nah fall. Eyes of fire, heart of gold. Truth a weapon, me forever hold. Me nah sleep in a system bed. Me rise with
Zion echoes, yeah man. Step out on the battlefield. Jah light as me shield, truth reveal. Kingston vibes make the wicked man kneel. Rasta soldier, no retreat, no yield. Them can't stop the fire, we burn from the heart. Babylon crumble, them system not smart. Jah give we the strength, fi play we part. We rise up the banner from the very start. Them set them traps, but we a break them chain. Me chant Jah name in a sunshine or rain. Them want silence we, but Jah love remain. Me say the lion roar, make the whole earth sustain. The ghetto youth them rise with hope in them eye. The struggle heavy, but Jah love can't die. We blaze up the fire till the evil run dry. The righteous warrior, me can't deny. Righteous warrior, we fight for the truth. Roots and culture for the ghetto youth. Them can't silence Jah Jah flute. We chant the psalms with enough salute. From the hilltop the message echo clear. We chant for love, we can't live in fear. Them take the land, but Jah kingdom near. Righteous warrior, Jah guide and steer. Them say the righteous road too narrow fi tread, but we hold Jah vibes and no bother we dread. The mission strong, Rasta nah look back. We burn Babylon lies, make the truth unlock. Selassie crown me with the fire of peace. Babylon system can't make we cease. The youths a chant high, the vibes increase. From Kingston streets to overseas. Righteous warrior, we fight for the truth. Roots and culture for the ghetto youth. Them can't silence Jah Jah flute. We chant the psalms with enough salute. Oh Jah, send the blessings rain. Fi heal the hearts where you carry the pain. The wicked them plot, but them fight in vain. Jah light a the torch, make the love sustain. We no care if the road get rough. We hold Jah and Rasta vibes strong enough. From the fire rise, we make the wicked back off. Selassie I vibes make we heart full of love. Me say warrior, rise upon the battlefield. The shield of truth, Jah light where we wield. The sword of justice, Babylon can't conceal. We chant Selassie I name fi make the whole world heal. Me say we roots strong like the Iroko tree. Them can't cut the branch where Rasta decree. The lion roar loud make the oppressors flee. From the heights of Zion to the deep blue sea. Yeah man, righteous warrior for life. Fight for love, avoid the strife. Jah blessings flow, make the world unite. One love me say, Rasta vibes ignite. Jah path, we no follow no wrong. Babylon system can't last too long. We chant the truth, make the wicked man gone. From the ghetto youth where they pan the grind, to the farmer man where a plant divine. We chant Jah praises, we not resign. Selassie a light, make the whole world shine. Them cut the trees, but we grow them back. We keep the roots firm, Jah love intact. The system crack, them under attack. Rasta vibration, we no lack. Roots for me life, the fire ignite. We chant the psalms, the vibes feel right. Jah love everlasting, it shines so bright. Rasta stand tall from morning to night. We silence the voice, we're strong, but we chant Jah truth with reggae song. Them can't distract, them can't prolong. We burn out the evil way I gone so long. The roots are the strength, we keep we firm. Babylon burn, the wicked can't learn. We plant the seeds, watch the blessings return. The fire of Jah make the whole place turn. We chant for the youth, we lost and stray. Bring them home, Jah way. The roots of Zion will never decay. Me Selassie a name we hail every day. Roots for me life, the fire ignite. We chant the psalms, the vibes feel right. Jah love everlasting, it shines so bright. Rasta stand tall from morning to night. Me say all the roots strong, we can't let go. From Kingston vibes to the rivers flow. Jah guide the steps wherever we go. Roots for me life, it forever show. I go. Zion echoes. The world's full of darkness, but Jah light shine. The wicked them tremble when we chant the line. The ghetto youths rise, we no follow them sign. Jah wisdom pure, it divine. Them plot them schemes, but Jah break the chain. The system corrupt, it full of pain. We chant for the people, the blessings remain. From the rivers deep to the mountain plain. The wickedness strong, but we stronger still. Jah carry we through the valley and hill. Them can't silence Jah righteous will. We chant down Babylon till the whole earth fills. Chant down wickedness, rise the vibes. Jah love eternal, it always survives. From the morning sun to the evening skies. Rasta vibrations make the spirit rise. Them build them empires on the back of the poor. But Jah love pure, it can't ignore. We burn out greed, them can't take no more. Rasta vibrations, it restore. We chant with the fire, we're deep in we soul. The wicked can't take we from Jah control. The mission of truth make the world whole. We rise up the banner, Jah love patrol. From the inner city youths we struggle and fight. To the hills of Zion, Jah light ignite. We chant the psalms in a day or night. The fire of truth can't hide from sight. Chant down wickedness, rise the vibes. Jah love eternal, it always survives. From the morning sun to the evening skies. Rasta vibrations make the spirit rise. Me say chant for Jah love, we can't go wrong. The fire burn bright, it blaze so strong. The righteous stand firm, the weak belong. Chant down wickedness, we carry Jah song.
Judge apart. With the herb on the guide, we make Babylon laugh. Roll it up strong, Chant Selassie. The roots
and the smoke with the spirit fly. With me island sweets come, we light the flame. The herbal meditation that I call Jah name. The smoke rise high like a Cyan't prayer. Jah love in me soul, me feel it everywhere. Them try to stop me, but Jah herbs still grow. With the lemon heals me, let the blessings flow. The power of the herb lift me mind high. Babylon can't touch the smoke where reach Jah sky. Roots and smoke, it a heal the pain. The herb are we strength for the sun and rain. Roll it up tight, make the fire blaze. The Rasta vibes strong for all them days. Them say me mad, but the herb keep me wise. The smoke clear me vision, open up me eyes. From push to the jack, air upon me table. Every drum me take, me feel more stable. Me pass the chalice, the vibes get low. The Rasta chant strong, it a mash up the crow. Babylon want fight, but them can't succeed. Herb and the message, Jah plant is tea. Me say blaze it on the hillside, burn it in the yard. The roots and the culture are we real reward. The ganja of the heal, now destroy, now break. Every puff me take, me feel Jah awake. Rise up the chalice, the roots run deep. Jah bless the earth with the humble and the meek. Roots and smoke, it a heal the pain. The herb are we strength for the sun and rain. Roll it up tight, make the fire blaze. The Rasta vibe strong for all them days. With Jah herb in me and me make the world unite. The roots and the smoke, it a shine Jah light. One love, one path, me chant till the end. Herb are the healer, Jah love me defend. For all them days. For all them days. For all them days. Cyan't echoes. Me roll this spliff, me light it up. From the mountainside to the valley cup. Me smoke the herb, me feel so free. Me no care what Babylon say about me. Me smoke the green, me no stress. Me no worry about the mess. We light the fire, we blaze the leaf. Me and me brethren, we find relief. From Kingston to Montego Bay, the herb keep me calm every day. Me say kush or sensi, me no fuss. Weed for life, me trust the herb plus. Weed for life, that's the way me stay. Me blaze it up, me no care what them say. Inna the morning, me rise with the sun. Me chant the blessings, the day begun. Me find peace inna the herb, me no lie. Me send me prayers to the sky. We all need to heal from the stress. Me light the split, me feel the bless. Me puff on the tally, me puff on the white. Me feel the eye, me feel so right. Me get the wisdom from the leaves me smoke. Me open me heart, me never broke. Weed for life, that's the way me stay. Me blaze it up, me no care what them say. Inna the morning, me rise with the sun. Me chant the blessings, the day begun. Me inhale the herbs, me exhale the stress. Me live for the love, me never second guess. From the roots to the top, me find me peace. Me live the truth, me never cease. So me blaze the herb, me feel the breeze. Me chant me prayer, me live with ease. Weed for life, me no care where them stay. Me light the spliff, me blaze the way. Through we find the seas, me live what to say. Me chant the blessings, the day begun.
Yo so, Cyan't echoes. Yo so. Me rise up in the morning, me eyes open wide. Me ready to face the world. Me walk with pride through the struggles. Me push me way, me know the path of righteousness me stay. Me rise for the people, for the youth and the soul. Me know me destiny, me play me role. Me rise from the depths, me rise from the low. Me trust in Jah, me watch me spirit grow. Rising up, me rise from the dust. Me walk in a the light, me place me trust. Rising up, me stand tall and strong. Me know me purpose, me know me belong. Rising up, me fight for the cause, me know me power, me break the laws. Rising up, me free in a spirit, me trust in Jah, me never limit. Me rise from the chains, me rise from the pain, me trust in the love, me never complain. Me rise from the darkness, me rise from the fear. Me walk through the trials, me never disappear. Me walk for the future, me walk for the past. Me never look back, me hold the blast. Me rise for the children, for the ones yet to come. Me stand as a soldier, me never run. Rising up, me rise from the dust. Me walk in a the light, me place me trust. Rising up, me stand tall and strong. Me know me purpose, me know me belong. Rising up, me fight for the cause, me know me power, me break the laws. Rising up, me free in a spirit, me trust in Jah, me never limit. Me rise with the fire, me rise with the light. Me trust in Jah power, me fight the fight. Me rise through the struggles, me rise through the storm. Me feel the Jah presence, me spirit is warm. Me rise with the people, me rise with the heart. Me know me destiny, me play me part. Me rise for the love, me rise for the truth. Me rise for the elders, me rise for the youth. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the pain. Me trust in Jah's power, me break the chain. Me rise from the troubles, me rise from the past. Me walk in a Jah's light, me know me will last. Rising up, me rise from the dust. Me walk in a the light, me place me trust. Rising up, me stand tall and strong. Me know me purpose, me know me belong. Rising up, me fight for the cause. Me know me power, me break the laws. Rising up, me free in a spirit, me trust in Jah.
Cyan't echoes. Me sing the song of one love, one heart. Me know we connected from the start. The world full of struggles, full of pain, but through the love we rise again. One heart, one soul, we feel the beat. In the rhythm we find the sweet. Me see the beauty in the human race. Me feel the unity, me embrace the grace. One love, one heart, we all in this. Me know we stronger in Jah's bliss. One love, one heart, me feel the fire. Me walk with me people, me never tire. One love, one heart, me rise above. Me trust in the power, me trust in the love. One love, one heart, me sing the song. Together we rise, together we belong. Me see the struggles, me see the pain, but through the rain the sun a shine again. Me know we all share the same dream. Me walk for the peace, for the love me beam. One heart, one soul, me feel the rise. Me looking at the eyes, I see the skies. Me walk with the people, me walk with the light. Me know together we rise above the fight. One love, one heart, we all in this. Me know we stronger in Jah's bliss. One love, one heart, me feel the fire. Me walk with me people, me never tire. One love, one heart, me rise above. Me trust in the power, me trust in the love. One love, one heart, me sing the song. Together we rise, together we belong. Me see the unity, me see the strength. Me know the people, me walk the length. One heart, one love, me trust in the bond. Together we rise, together we respond. One love, one heart, we all a shine. Me know Jah's blessings, me feel the divine. Me walk with me people, me feel the joy. Me know the love are real, me not a decoy. One heart, one soul, me sing the song. Me know the power, me know we belong. One love, one heart, we all in this. Me know we stronger in Jah's bliss. One love, one heart, me feel the fire. Me walk with me people, me never tire. One love, one heart, me rise above. Me trust in the power, me trust in the love. One love, one heart, me sing the song. Together we rise, together we belong. One love, one heart, me know the truth. Me sing for the people, me sing for the youth. Rising sun, me say me rising sun. Me nah give up until me see the day done. One love, one heart, me always a sing. The reggae beat a rise, hear the echo ring. Rising sun, me say me rising sun. Me nah give up until the battle is won. In the rhythm me trust, me heart beat true. Through the rain and the cloud, me know the sun a shine through. Stand tall like the mountain, me spirit on the rise. Me heart full of fire, me dreams touch the skies. The world at the stage, me play me part. Me no follow no shadow, me follow me heart. The struggle and the hustle, me know them feel real. But me strength come from the love, me know how it feel. The roots in the style, the truth in the sound. Me find me peace, me feet touch the ground. Rising sun, me say me rising sun. Me nah give up until me see the day done. One love, one heart, me always a sing. The reggae beat a rise, hear the echo ring. Rising sun, me say me rising sun. Me nah give up until the battle is won. In the rhythm me trust, me heart beat true. Through the rain and the cloud, me know the sun a shine through. Jah guide me steps, me walk the righteous way. Me never lose me faith, me know Jah will save the day. Me see the struggles, but me no afraid. Me carry the strength of the ancients, me never fade. Every step me take, me heart ablaze. Me follow the light, me rise above the haze. Me nah look back, me forward me go. With the power of the sun, me life a glow. Through the battles and the wars, me keep the peace. Me see the love a spreading, me want it to increase. Me know the world full of struggle, full of pain, but me rise above it all. Me break the chain from the east to the west. Me sing the song, me know the truth are deep inside. Me always been strong, me never give up, me never give in. With the love in me heart, me know me will win. Rising sun, me say me rising sun. Me nah give up until me see the day done. One love, one heart, me always a sing. The reggae beat a rise, hear the echo ring. Rising me say me rising sun. Me nah give up until the battle is won. In the rhythm me trust, me heart beat true. Through the rain and the cloud, me know the sun a shine through. The sun a rise, me see the light. Me know me path clear, me ready for the fight. From the heart of the earth, the spirit a free. Me sing for the people, me sing for the sea. Rising sun, me say me rising sun. The journey just begun, the victory soon come. The stars, me mind I wonder. Me see the moon a shine, me feel the night grow fonder. Me heart a beat to the rhythm of the earth. Me meditate deep, me realize me worth. Jah guide me steps, me walk in a peace. Me let go the hate, me let the struggle cease. Me trust in the journey, me trust in the way. Me rise every morning, me greet the new day. Under the stars, me find me way. Me trust in Jah, me never go astray. Through the night, me see the light. Under the stars, me heart feels right. Under the stars, me spirit rise. Me see the truth, me open me eyes. Me walk through the darkness, me see the dawn. Under the stars, me life go on. Watch the stars twinkle, me feel the breeze. Me send out me prayers, me drop to me knees. Me know the night full of wisdom and grace. Me feel the love, me see the peace in all this place. Me never look back, me forward me go. Me trust Jah light, me feel the glow. The stars are me guide, me follow the path. Me no fear the road, me no fear the rat. Under the stars, me find me way. Me trust in Jah, me never go astray. Through the night, me see the light. Under the stars, me heart feels right. Under the stars, me spirit rise. Me see the truth, me open me eyes. Me walk through the darkness, me see the dawn. Under the stars, me life go on. Under the stars, me hear the voice. The music of the universe, me rejoice. Me know me journey filled with light. Me walk in faith, me walk in might. Through the silence, me hear the call. Me trust Jah's guidance, me stand tall. Under the stars, me feel the peace. Me know all the worries, me let them cease. Me heart full of joy, me soul full of cheer. Me trust in Jah, me have no fear. Me know the stars are shine for